Example 4, given angle A is 32 and C is 77 and side A is 14 inches, find the area of triangle ABC. Once again, here's the triangle drawn for us. We have angle, side information. So when I see angle, side, first thing I want to do is find the third angle. So if I do 180 minus 32 minus 77, that comes up 71 degrees. And again, if you're going to use the angle, side area formula, it says A is equal to A squared sine of B sine of C over 2 sine of A. Here's our formula. And if you don't focus on the actual letters and everything in the formula, it's not going to do this, is it? Click over here. All right. If we just focus on that letter and this letter, okay, that side and this angle need to be opposite each other. So if, in this case, I do have side A and angle A. If I had side B and angle B, this would be B squared, this would be B, and these will be A and C. So again, that's the requirement of the rule. All right, so it's written like that, but it'll, again, those two things are going to be on opposite sides of that fraction. So in this case, if I just apply the property, the formula as it is, A squared is going to be 14 squared, sine of 71 degrees, sine of 77 degrees, over 2 times sine of 32 degrees. Now this one in particular, you have to be a little more cautious typing it in. First off, when you hit the sign button on your calculator, just real quick if I show you, it always puts this beginning parentheses there. Mm-hmm. So if you want to do sine of 71 and only 71, you have to put an M parentheses after it. So when I type it in, I'm going to write 14 squared times sine 71 n parentheses times sine of 77 n parentheses. And I'm dividing by two objects, 2 and sine of 32. So when I do divided by, I'm going to put parentheses, 2 times sine 32, n parentheses for the sine expression, n parentheses for the denominator. Okay, if you don't put the parentheses around the bottom, it wants to put that sine of 32 back on top, so be careful of that. So 178.38, that's inches squared. The other option for that, if I typed in 14 squared sine of 71, n parentheses, times sine of 77 n parentheses, divided by 2 and then divided by sine of 32, that's also legal. You don't want to use any parentheses around the denominator, just as long as the entire, both things on the bottom are being divided. So put the whole bottom in parentheses, first times second, or divided by first, divided by second. Just make sure both of these do get divided.